Hi everyone, this is Amit from Odisha, India, and once again welcome you all to my channel. So, just 3 days left to witness one of the prestigious pageant of India, Miss Diva 2021 Grand Finale, and I am super excited for it because we will have our brand new, fresh Miss Universe India 2021, Miss Supranational India 2021, and a beautiful runner-up. And yes. Um, Talking about Miss Diva organization and the girls, then definitely they are doing so much hard work and smart work to make it a memorable pageant in Indian pageant history. So I'm just finger crossed about it because I know it's going to be super thrilled. So that's all, and let's move forward. At first, I would like to wish all the very best to all the gorgeous girls who are competing this year, and I hope the best girls who will dominate in Miss Diva 2020 finale should win the title of Miss Universe India and Miss Supranational India 2021 crowns respectively. So now here I'm going to reveal my final prediction for Miss Diva 2021, where I have selected my top 12 as little favorites for the finale, and I know you all will agree with my final prediction. So just let's have a look on my top 12 and figure out that who are mad it into the top 12 of my list. So let's have a look. So guys, let's start with our top 12 announcement with Palomi Insan. Palomi is one of the beautiful girl in this batch and I love her so much, but at the beginning I was ignoring her, but after seeing her in preliminary performance I was like, wow, actually my perspective towards her is totally changed now, and I know she has the potential, so she can be into the top 12 of Miss Diva 2021 because the best thing about her is that she enjoying every moment and what I have seen her in preliminary performances, and that's one of the thing I really love about her, and she's super gorgeous, very bold and exotic. Just looking forward to see her in finale night. That's all. Number 11, Sonal Kukreja. What an amazing speaker she is. She's just so fluent when it comes to speaking skill. Just amazing. Very energetic girl, and I really love her so much. Just needs some more polishing on her overall personality because at the end it matters a lot. But otherwise when it comes to speaking skills, then definitely she is just amazing, and if she will enter into the top 5, then definitely one of the crown for her, for sure. And I have hopes, I have faith in her, so just let's see what will gonna happen. But nonetheless, she's just phenomenal, and just hoping best for her, just hoping that. Number 10, Aishwarya Kamal. I mean, I don't know guys what to say and how to say about this beautiful woman. She's just such a beautiful person inside and out, very gorgeous. And I don't know, but this is my inner thought that I'm getting so much positive vibes from her, by her attitude, by her personality, by her beauty. She's just amazing, and I'm in love with this woman. I mean, after seeing her in preliminary, I was like, wow. I mean, how can I ignore her in my first leaderboard? But right now, I'm thinking that she's one of the dark horse in this patch, and definitely she's gonna slay in finale night. That's for sure. And she may be placed so high, just like into the top 5 if everything goes well. Number 9, Naveli Dasmukh. Well, Naveli is one of my sentimental favorite. I really love her so much. I have soft corner for her, but after all, it's a competition, and I have to be truthful to myself. I have to be loyal enough for this leaderboard because it's just about a true queen, beautiful woman who is going to win the titles, who will be the best of her first of all. So talking about Naveli, then Naveli is a very good performer. She's know how to slay, but still needs some facial expression when where she's lacking, but otherwise she's just amazing. And I love her personality, I love her body, I love her walk, I love everything about her. That's why I love her so much, and she's my sentimental favorite. But if she get a chance into the top 5, then she have to be best of her in question answer segment, because if she will not give such impactful answer in question answer segment, then she will gonna fail for sure. So I know she'll not gonna do it at all, because I have hopes and I am believing in her, and I know she can do it. So just finger crossed for her and hoping best from her. So let's see. Number 8, Aisha Asadi. Natasha Asadi's sister was just amazing in preliminary competition. I mean, she just led in preliminary by her extra ravishing personality and amazing walk skill. She was phenomenal in that night, and I am super impressed by her performance. And she was phenomenal, and she's a very polished and very well prepared candidate in this batch, and I have hopes from her. So can't wait to see her at Miss Diva finale stage. That's all. Number 7, Siddhi Gupta. Siddhi is an amazing speaker, very very gorgeous girl in this batch, and yes, if I'm talking about her placement into the top 5, then she have to do well in preliminary evening gown and swimsuit performance, because that's what really matters to get placed into the top 5 or top 6 of Miss Diva 2021 this year. So that's all, because I know she is a very good performer, but still that diva personality was lacking, and that's important to be the queen, to be herself. So where I think she's lacking, I mean, she still have that sweet, calm Miss India vibes, which where I am little bit upset about this thing. But otherwise, she's a fantastic contestant, and I have lots of hopes and lots of expectation from her. So just looking forward. Number 6, Ritika Khadnani. Ritika is the youngest and most well prepared candidate in this batch. I love her so much. She's so good in RAM. She has the stage presence, she has the personality, she has a great body, she speaks really well. Very very good candidate, but sometimes I think she do some extra thing, but otherwise, as if I ignore that extraness, then definitely she is a amazing candidate and most deserving one in this batch. Very well prepared, so that's the obvious thing, that she is one of the best in this batch. So that's all. Number 5 spot goes to Divita Rai. This is a surprise placement. I know many will not agree with this list, what I have just given to Divita Rai here. But to be honest with you all, this girl deserves the placement of top 5, because after seeing her in preliminary, I was totally shocked and so impressed by her personality, so impressed by her overall performance during Mumbai party, and she was just outstanding there, and she deserves this placement. And apart from that, this woman is just a pure soul, very passionate and smart girl, and mostly this girl knows that what's really matter and how to work on those aspects. So she deserves this top 5 placement in all the way. Number 4, Akshita Singh. Akshita is such a hardworking and passionate girl. She is very determined and very well prepared. I love her so much. Her walk is great. She speaks like a Miss Universe. The way she represents, the way she um, carries herself in front of audience and camera, that's amazing. And I really appreciate her efforts, and definitely one of the clear thread for others, because if she will enter in the top 5, then definitely she can bag one of the crown for sure, and there is no doubt about it. Number 3, Tarini Kalinga Raya. Tarini is one of my sentimental favorite to win Miss Universe India 2021 crown, because first of all, I love her so much and she is my sentimental favorite. But apart from that, if not anybody, then I would like to suggest Miss Diva organization to send Tarini to Miss Universe uh, 2021 because she has the potential. The she has the exotic beauty with a very inspiring story along with so much confidence and amazing oratory skill. So in overall she's a total packaging. I love her look, her personality, her attitude with that sweet and calm aura. What a gorgeous woman she is. I mean, phenomenal. Just beyond universe. Her face is so photogenic, just like a Miss Universe. And it's actually, I mean, I'm getting Miss Universe vibes by her face. I mean, she's just amazing, guys. And I personally rooting for her to win Miss Universe India crown. In my number two, I have Harnaz Kaur Sandhu. So Harnaz is my heavy favorite to win Miss Supranational India crown rather than Miss Universe crown. Why? Because of one thing. So first of all, I would like to say that she has everything to be a Miss Supranational. She has the body, she has the stage presence, she speaks really well. Her work is amazing. She has a great body, she has a face, and she's one of the gorgeous girl in this competition. And these are the things what really matters in Miss Supranational. So I think she's much more deserves to win Miss Supranational India crown. And why not Miss Universe India crown? Because of her advocacy. That's the only thing why I have stopped myself to put her into my top in my number one position, because nowadays hand sanitizing is just a normal thing. If you are taking that thing into as a advocacy, then I think it's not worth enough. I know advocacy is advocacy, but at the end it's matter that how impactful your advocacy is. So that's the only reason behind it. But other than that, I know she's a phenomenal woman. She can do wonder in any pageant. But still, that's the only reason. But if I will aside that thing, then definitely if she do well in question answer segment, then no one will stop her to grab Miss Universe crown. And my clear bet for Miss Universe India 2021 crown is none other than Ankita Singh from West Bengal. So Ankita is Ankita. I mean, what a mix of genuineness, kind-hearted, bold, beautiful, and caring and lovable person. She is just amazing. And the most beautiful thing about her is that she serves mankind. That's what really matters, and that's what really attracts towards her. And she's just phenomenal. She's just a inspiring lady for me and for my fellow pageant page fans as well. And this woman has everything to be the next Miss Universe India, because her stage presence, her communication skill, her oratory skill, and the way she represents herself, the way she expresses, thus, I mean, and along with a strong advocacy is just cherry on cake. So she's just meant for Miss Universe, and Miss Universe is just meant for her. So she's my clear bet for Miss Universe India title, and just praying for her. That's all. And I will be super happy if she will win the crown. That's all, guys, and that's it.